As you can see, this is proof I got the Twitter followers for free. Now let me show you how I did it. If you noticed, at first we had only 15 followers on our Twitter account. Now copy your username and go to any web browser of your choice. Tap and search for DJAKB. Select the first website. Now tap the search bar above and type the keyword robust. Scroll down and select the read more below the first post. Now scroll down again and wait for the timer to finish. Since we are new to the website, we need to create a new account before we can log in. Kindly note that once it stops loading, your account has been created and you just need to log in.
Five hours later.
If you noticed, we now have 25 followers on our Twitter account. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.